Next, fruits. Grapes with plum fruits fresh from the garden. Mm. Wow, ang sarap. Fruits is life. Garden namin ito. Kamis. Mm. Okay. Love you all, guys. Please follow, like, and subscribe.